Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Now we are going to discuss NMMS MAT, concept classification, non-verbal. Let us start with question number 24. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 24 of concept NMMS MAT, chapter classification, non-verbal. Question number 24. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Totally 5 figures are given here. We have to find out the odd one out figure. Okay. See, observe all the images here. Actually here, this image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4 and image 5. All the images contain one common thing, that is all images having one triangle and another one is circle. Okay. So they are interlocked. And this is common for all the images. But one thing we should observe here is the two dots which is placed inside this images. Okay. See, look at this image first. It contains two dots. Then this both two dots inside. Both two dots are placed inside the figure. Okay. Similarly, come to image second. Here, one dot is inside the figure or image. Another one is outside. One dot inside and one outside. This is for image 2. Similarly, for image 3, here both the dots are present outside the structure. So, both two dots are outside. Then come to fourth figure. Here also one dot is inside and another one is outside. One inside and one dot outside. Then image 5 also contain one inside and another one is outside. One dot inside, another outside. So here image or figure 1, then 2, then 4 and 5. All these figures contain two dots, but the pattern is like this. One dot is inside, one dot inside the structure, and another dot outside. But only this figure 1, sorry, okay, not figure 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the images having two dots, but one dot inside the structure and another one is outside. Only this figure 1. This is different from the rest because here both the dots present inside. Both the dots are inside. inside the structure. So figure 1 is different from the other figures. Our answer is 1. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 25 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Image, 5 images are given. Okay, image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4 and image 5. This all the images shows the angle formation. Okay, according to maths, this is the symbol of angle. Okay, so each image contains two angle formations. So let me differentiate on the basis of their formation of angle. Okay, as we know, angles is we can differentiate it as acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, etc. Okay, so on the basis of that, we can find out which one figure is different from the rest. In this image 1, here one angle is formed here and another one is here. This is exactly like this. Actually, this is not 90 degree. This is less than 90. Okay, this one is less than 90 degree. But here, this angle, this is exactly look like this angle is formed here. This is above 90 degree, or we called it as it is greater than 90. So here one is less than 90 degree and another one is greater. This less than 90 degree we called it as acute angle. Acute angle. And greater than 90 is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So image 1 shows two angle formation. One is less than 90, another one is greater than 90. So it forms totally two angles, acute and obtuse angle both. Come to image 2. Here the image shows the angle formation here. Okay. And another one is here. So here we can see that this both the angle formation it is less than 90 degree. Okay, both less than 90 degrees. So both angles are acute. Both angles are acute angle. Then come to image 3. Here also one angle is formed here and another one is here. Here it both the angles are obtuse, greater than 90 degree. Both are obtuse angle. Then come to image 4. One angle is formed here and another one is here. Look at the angle. Okay. See this. This is exactly less than 90 degree. So it is less than 90 degree and this one is also less than 90. So here both the angles are considered as acute angle. Both are acute angles. Then come to image 5. One angle is formed here and another one is here. So just imagine there angle measurement. Okay. So we can see here both the angles are which is greater than 90. Both are greater than 90 degree. See here, this is also greater than 90 and this one is also greater than 90. So when both the angles are greater than 90, it is considered as both are obtuse angles. Obtuse angles. So search their similarities. Image 2, image 3, image 4 and image 5. Figure 2, 3, 4 and 5 all having one similar pattern, that is whether both the uh, angles are acute or both the angles are obtuse. But only this image 1 is different. It contains both type of angle. One is acute and another one is obtuse. So here image 1 is entirely different from the other images. See whether it may be obtuse or acute. Rest of all images means figure 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these images shows same type of angles. Means both angles are acute or both angles are obtuse. So except this image 1. Only this image it contains both acute angle and obtuse angle. So this is different from the rest images. Hence our correct answer is answer 1. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 26 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So 5 images are given. We can see one similarity here, that is it contains the different shapes in right, left and right sides. See here, this is left side, this one is right side. Okay, here left, right. But only the common thing is all the images contain same shape as left and right. Okay, see here two circles which is contact each other, and so many circles are continuously touching or connected to each other in right side. Here also triangle shape is left, and uh, similar triangle are connected one by one each other in right side. Here also this is cross mark. Then right side also contains so many cross mark. They are connected each other. And then for image 4 is also contain rectangle shape, and all that rectangle shapes are connected each other in the right side. But here image 5, it contain triangle which is inverted. Okay, and right side also contain the continuous contact of the triangles, but only the different thing is it should also contains the triangle which is contact each other at the same pattern. Here the triangle is given in this pattern, but this in the right side their connection is different. First one is correct, but second one is tilted and connected. third one is correct, and fourth one is also tilted and connected. So this does not follow the pattern compared to figure 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rest of the figures contains or follow the same pattern like this. This first figure first contains circles. Each circles are in right side. Each circles are touching or connected to one another in a similar way. This image 2 also, in the left side the triangle is in this shape, and all this right side all the triangles are connected each other with the same shape of given image in left side. Here also crosses same pattern, it is connected. In the rectangle right side all the rectangles are connected similarly, but only this figure 5 here, there's triangles in the right side triangle image, they get separated by their gaps. So observe this image carefully. This connection is continuous, but some gap is there in between that, because on the different shape, on the same shape, different pattern connection. Only this first and this third, it is similar to the left, but second and fourth is connected, tilted and connected. Okay, so this does not follow the same pattern as figure 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here figure 5 is different from the rest. Why? Because these two triangles are connected with the different pattern. So figure 1, 2, 3 and 4 shapes in the right vertical column are all touching or connected to one another, but this figure 5 which is separated by some gaps. So figure 5 is entirely different from the rest. Our answer is figure 5. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 27 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here totally 5 figures are given. So figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, 4 and 5. So here all the figures contain some alphabets and some mathematical symbols. Okay. So on the basis of that, we have to find out one pattern which is common for all the images and pick out the different image which does not follow that pattern. So here, come to this image first. This is our letter X and this one is also X. So this both the letters or alphabets which is faces each other, okay, or we called it as identical twins. So this contain letter X which is identical twins in image first, and then the other side, one side is T and other side is triangle. Come to figure second, here alphabet S which is also faces different faces opposite to each other, and this one is also called as alphabetical identical twins, and similarly T which is faced with the triangle. Okay, so figure 1 and 2 almost same. We don't require the same alphabet faces each other, but still it is considered as same pattern because alphabet which is considered as the identical twins. First one is S, second one is S. Okay, same pattern. Third one, T faces with the triangle is similar for figure 1 and 2. And here this mathematical symbol rectangle which faces with or which is considered as identical twin with rectangle only. So this one is also contain or follow the same pattern. Come to option 4 or image 4, T which is opposite with the triangle. This is common for all the images. Okay, see here image 5 is also faces letter T which faces the triangle. So all image 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the letter alphabet T faces with the triangle oppositely. So we have to find out the different thing for the different concept. So here image 1, 2 and 3 which contains the identical twins with the alphabet or mathematical image, mathematical what we called it as mathematical structure. Okay, rectangle. But image 4, it is also faces the identical twins alphabet CC. Okay, but only this image 5, here T faces with the triangle, it is similar, but it breaks the pattern. Why? Because it does not have any alphabetical twin or any mathematical symbol twin. Okay, sorry, mathematical structure twin. It only contains both sides as dot. So it is entirely different from the rest. Rest of all the images having the either alphabetical twin or mathematical symbol twin. Here, image fifth, this is not belongs to these two patterns. So image 5 is entirely different from the rest. Here our option correct is answer 5. That one is last image. Fifth one is different from the other. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 28 of NMMS Math Concept Classification Non-Verbal. So question number 28, find out which one of the figures different from other. So these all are the figures, image or figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the images contain two parallel lines and that parallel line at the top or bottom, it is covered with a curved cap. Okay, two curved cap. Look here. So we have to find out the difference on the basis of this one. So come to the image 1. So figure 1. Here two parallel lines are there. It cover with the curved lines. Okay. This curved or we consider it as curved cap. This curved cap is attached to the open end of the parallel straight lines. And see their direction, both the cap having the same direction. Okay. Then come to the image second. This one is also contain the two parallel lines and it cover with the two curved cap, and that curved cap faces the same image like this, but it is in bottom portion, not top. Okay. So this one, not this one, it faces like this. Then third one, it is also similarly this direction. Then fourth one, this faces the direction like this. And fifth one, it faces the direction like this. So all the images contain that parallel line is common. We have to find out the difference on the basis of this curved line only. So we can see one common pattern in figure 1, 3, 4 and 5. This contain curved cap is attached to the open end of the straight lines. All this attached to open end of the straight line. Only this image 2, which is connected as different direction. Look at their curves. This one is same, this one is same, this one faces the same and this one is also same. Only this curve is different. Okay, clear. We can see it clearly in this images. See this, observe this curve, but it is little bit different, which is connected bottom portion. So it is attached to closed rounded end. Remaining all are attached to the open end of the parallel straight lines. So here figure 2 is different. And one more difference is we can see their curved line direction also. Remaining all are faces upward. Okay. All the curves faces in upward direction, but this one is little bit different, which is faces the direction like this. So we can say that figure 2 is entirely different from the rest of the figures. So here the correct answer is answer 2. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 29 of the chapter classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here also 5 images are given. So all the images contain one curve and remaining T-shaped straight line. Okay. Look at this all images. All the image commonly contain one curve and one T-shaped structure. So we can differentiate these figures on the basis of that curve. That curve faces the direction. Okay. See here, this is downward. And this one is also face downward, this one. And here it faces the left. And this image 4 shows it faces upward and image 5 shows the side. So we can say one common pattern which is observed by all this image 1, 2, 3 and 5 is this curved shape. It faces downward or side face. Only this image 4 which is exactly look like U shape. Okay, U shape or we called it as cup-like structure. U shape or cup-like element or structure. So, which is entirely different from the other figures because either it faces down, we can see it in the image 1 and 2, it faces downward, and in image 3 and 5, it faces either left or right. Only this image 4, that's curved line, it is exactly look like U shape and it faces upward. So it is different from the rest figures. So the correct answer is answer 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 30 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here totally 5 figures are given. So we have to find out the different figure from the rest figures. Okay. So look at this all images. All the images shows the different shapes. Okay. That shape is formed with a different number of straight lines. Okay, let just it's common from all the images. We have to find out the difference. That is important. So we can see one common pattern. All the figure having the outer shape one image, and in that it contains 3 lines which is formed in different. Okay, see this is our outer shape and it contains 3 straight lines, whether it may be inside or outside. On the basis of that extra 3 lines, we can find out the different pattern. So look at this image first. 2 lines are 2 lines inside and one is outside the structure. One line outside the structure. Come to image 2. 1 and 2. 2 lines inside and here one is outside the structure. So here figure 1 and figure 2 follows the same pattern. Figure 3, 1, 2. 2 lines inside and the same 1 line outside. 2 lines inside and one line outside the structure. So this one is also follows the same pattern. Come to fourth image. Here, two lines outside, sorry, all the three lines are outside the structure. All three lines outside the structure. No one is inside the structure. So it breaks the pattern. Then come to fifth one. Here also, here one is inside, two is outside. Okay. One line inside, two lines outside. But still it contain one line inside. Not all the three are outside or inside. So this one is also belongs to the pattern 1, 2 and 3. Only the different is fourth one. It doesn't contain any single line inside the structure. All the three lines are covering outside the structure. So here the different figure is figure 4. Answer is 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 31 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here also 5 figures are given. Look at this images carefully. So all the images contain two straight lines joined in a V shape outside. Okay. Two lines joined like V shape. This is joined like V shape. This is common for all, but they faces the different direction. Just neglect that. But the common thing is all the images contain two lines which joined like a V shape. Okay. So see the inside image or inside lines. Here totally we can see all the images 1 to 5. Inside that it contains three curves. Okay. So see this first image. This one is one curve. It is shows the arrowhead like apex, and remaining two are apart from this. Okay, or away from the apex. So here we can see their directions. Image first, it faces the direction here, and similarly remaining two also faces the same direction. This one is, and remaining two faces the same this one. Okay. So here all the three faces the same direction. All the three. This one faces here, and remaining all are also curved the same direction. Then come to second one. Here this arrowhead which is near to the apex, it faces the direction like this, inverted, but remaining two which is different. Okay, see here I will show separately here. This one faces apex. Okay, apex curve faces the direction like this, but the remaining it is opposite. These three all are not faces the same direction. Okay, so figure 2 is different. Come to this third one, it faces the apex curve like this and remaining also faces the same direction like this. Okay. So it follows the same pattern as figure 1. Come to the image 4. Here also this one is in the direction like this and remaining 2 is also the same direction. So this one is also belongs to same pattern like pattern of the image 1 and 3. Then come to fifth one. Here that small curve is this direction and remaining 2 is also faces the same direction. This is our outer structure. Okay. So this one is also we can say that it follow the pattern as similar to figure 1, 3, 4 and 5. Only this figure 2 which is entirely different from the rest because inside that curves that faces different directions. They don't follow the same pattern. Okay. So here the figure 2 is different from the rest of the figures. So the figure 2 is different. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 32 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here also 5 images are given. All the outer shape contain the different structure. For example, image 1 contain triangle, image 2 is square, image 3 is again triangle, image 4 is it having the 4 straight lines outside and image 5 is also different. Okay. So we cannot find out the common pattern or common or similar things on the basis of their outer structure. We can say the difference on the basis of the arrows which they show here outside. Okay. See here, image first, both the arrows are like this. This one is our first arrow and second one is this one. They faces the opposite direction. Then come to second one. One arrow is downward, another arrow is upward. So they also faces the different or opposite direction. Then come to third image. This is our first and second one. Here also one arrow this side, one arrow is this one. They faces opposite. So all image 1, 2, 3 have the same pattern. Then fourth one, look at this direction of the arrow. Here one is this like this and one is like this. Means one is towards the down and another one is towards the up. So this one is also they faces the different opposite direction. Image 4 also follow the same pattern. Come to fifth image. Here it contains two arrows. Both shows the same direction. So this one is different from the rest figures. It does not follow the pattern. Fifth one. Here both the arrows faces the same face. They don't follow the opposite direction pattern. So here image 5 is our answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 33 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So the images are like this. Image 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the images having the common pattern, that is one straight line. At the end of that line it contains one circle or round. Inside that it contains the straight lines, they cross each other. Okay, this is common from all images. We have to find out the different figure on the basis of the direction of that crossing lines. Okay, see, this part is similar from all. We cannot differentiate on the basis of this part because all this contains straight line and outer that straight line having the alternate short lines. This is common from all. So left this one. On the basis of this end circle, observe this. Okay. Oh, so see here, all the images also contain this end circle. But only the thing is how that straight lines, they cross each other inside that circle is our answer. See here, first image, here this is circle, here this inside that straight line of that circle, they cross each other diagonally. Okay. Diagonally, lines cut each other. And second one, here this is circle, here also two straight lines, they cross each other. But only the thing is, this is not diagonally cross each other, they cross each other vertically and horizontally. So this one is different. Let me see the remaining figures. Come to third one. Here also the circle which contain the two lines cross each other. But this one is also diagonally. They cross diagonal. And fourth one also it contain the line like this. This one is also diagonal. Then fifth one, this one the line shows like this. This one is also diagonal. So the image 2, this exactly shows that straight line which cross each other inside that small circle, they are facing vertically and horizontally, not diagonal. Remaining all the images contain that cross lines, they cross each other diagonally. So here figure 2 is different from the rest. Answer is 2. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 34 of the NMMS Math chapter classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here the images are related to alphabets. These all are our images. Image 1 contain B, image 2 contain D, image 3 C, image 4 O, image 5 V. So on the basis of that formation of the letter, so here B is formed with one straight line with two curve. So one straight line and two curves. Then image 2 B, D formed with one straight line and one curve. One straight line, one curve. And C formed with only curve. No straight line is present here. And O is also formed with only curve. Okay. So image 5 contain V. V is the image which one only formed with the two straight lines. Only letter formed by entirely straight lines. So here V is different from the rest because remaining all the four letters which is formed with the one straight line, one curve or totally formed with curve. But this image fifth one B which is only the letter which formed by entirely two straight lines. So here the correct option is answer 5. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 35 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So these all are the images. Come to the image 1, this contain A, below that it one number is there. So all the 5 images shows above column shows the alphabet, below column shows the number. Okay. On the basis of that, we will find out which one is different. So here first A1, second Z26, third one T20, B3, E5. So these all shows the alphabet and their alphabetical order. Okay. As we know, our alphabet start with the letter A and end with letter Z. Start with A and end with Z. So totally 26 alphabets are there. Okay, 1 to 26 alphabets. In that first place A comes. So image A is correct. Image 1 is correct. Then in 26th place, that is last Z comes. So this figure 2 is also correctly placed with their order. Okay. Then third one is T is 20. Yes, according to that alphabetical order, T comes in 20th place. So image 3 is also correct. Image 4, B3. As we know, A, B, C. A is first, B is 2, C is 3. But here B3, this one is wrong. Okay. So here B comes in second place of the alphabetical order, not third place. Then come to the figure 5, E5. Yes, see D is in fourth place, E is in fifth place. So this one is also Correct. Here, answer 4. Image 4 is different from the rest images. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 36 of the chapter Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figure different from other. So these all are our figures 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look at this image. Here just that images shows that they divide some rows and columns, then place some dots inside that. Okay, but common thing is all the images contain the same number of rows and number of columns with the same dot. Same number of rows and columns and same number of dots. Because all the image contain 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. But their places are different. Okay. See here the common thing is all the images contain same rows and same columns and same number of dots. But their dot position is different. So on the basis of that position, we have to find out which figure is different. So start with the image 1. As we know, this all the images contain all image having 3 columns and 3 rows. 3 columns and 3 rows. So this one is considered as row. Okay, this one is rows and this one is considered as columns. Okay. Let me see the images, all the dots which are having same pattern or not. Image first, here this one dot is placed in a row and 2 dots are placed with the same column. 2 dots share same column and 1 dot is in row. 2 dots share same column, 1 dot row. This is our figure first. Come to the second figure. Here, this one is our column. Okay. All the 3 dots share with say different columns, or all 3 dots place separate column. Okay. This is for our image 2. Then come to the image 3. Here also they place with the different columns and different rows. All the dots placed with different columns and rows. All dots share different column and row. Come to the image 4. Here, see this 2 dots. This comes under the same row. Okay. 2 dots share same row, one dot placed different row. Okay. Then come to fifth one. 1, 2 and 3. 3 dots are there. Here all the 3 dots are shared with same, different column. All 3 dots, different column. Okay, I think it becomes a little confused. Let me do one thing. Only consider columns. Okay, only consider the columns. So here, image first, 2 dots share same column. Okay, 2 dots share same column. Then image 2, all the 3 dots share different columns. All 3 dots place separate column. Correct. Image 3, 3 also, 1, 2 and 3. All three place different column. Different column. And image 4, all the 3 dots share with the different, or all the 3 dots placed in different column. So image 4, all 3 different column. Only see their columns, okay? Then image 5, 1, 2, 3. This is our column. All the 3 share, all the 3 placed different columns. So here image 5th also, all 3 dots different column. So here the image or figure 1, figure 2, 3, 4 and 5. All 3 dots having different column. So each column contain one dot only. But this image 2, image 1, this 2 dots share the same column. Okay, this is the different thing from the rest figures. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ 2 dots share the same column. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎರಡು ಡಾಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ our figure 1 is different from the rest. So the correct option is option 1. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 37 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So images are like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can see the common thing in all these images is all the image contain all images having arms and legs. Just imagine that this figure shows the person image. Okay, that person contain arms and legs. So arms and legs and their shapes and direction. So all images having arms and legs and see their shapes and direction. On the basis of that shapes and direction, we can differentiate which figure is different from the rest. Image 1, here arms and legs are in the same shape. Arms and legs, same shape and faces same direction. And faces same direction. But this image 2, here arms and legs are in different shape and the faces different direction. One is upward and another one is downward. Okay. Then image 3 also arms and legs are in different shape. But they faces the same direction, but they contain different shape. Then 4 also arms and legs are different shape. They faces the same direction. Different shape. Then image 5, arms and legs are different shape. They faces the different direction. So we can easily say that on the basis of that shape, image 1 is entirely different from the rest. Okay, because only that image first contain that arms and legs are in same shape. So answer 1 is the correct. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 38 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Nonverbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here 4 images are given. Okay, these all are the images. This image shows the different pattern, but they faces opposite each other. So start with the image 1 or figure 1. It shows that the right hand figure below this figure is obtained uh, by rotate this above figure 180 degree. So ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಫಿಗರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. The right hand figure is obtained by a 180 degree rotation of the left. Similarly, figure 2 also. This is also faces the opposite. And let us take it as the right hand figure. We just rotate this figure as 180 degree. After the rotation of 180, we get the image below the image. Then similarly, fourth figure and fifth figure also. Once we rotate this right hand figure 180 degree. Then after rotation, we get the left figure. Okay. But only the thing is when this image 3 is different because they faces that differently. See here. They face like this. So we can't rotate this right image or we can rotate this right hand image 180 degree, but it cannot show the image same as below. Okay. Remaining all ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ image first, second, 4 and 5. All this 4 images, once we rotate that right hand figure 180 degree, we get exactly the left after the rotation. But this only figure 3 is the reflection, or we called it as mirror image. Mirror image. Only the image 3 is the mirror image. Remaining all are the rotation of after 180 degree, we get the another half. So here figure 3 is entirely different from the rest. We can say that figure 1, 2, 4 and 5, the right hand figure, the right hand figure is obtained by 180 degree rotation of left. So right hand figure ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಫಿಗರ್ 1, 2, 4 and 5 ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. We cannot obtain the figure 3 as follow this pattern. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಿಗರ್ 3 ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So figure 3 is considered as mirror image. This is the only image follows mirror or reflection pattern. So figure 3 is different from the rest. Answer is 3. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 39 of the chapter NMMS Math, concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So look at this figures. All these 5 figures contain different shapes. Okay, number of shapes are arranged here. So let me count that shapes from figure 1. Okay, figure 1 contain cross, dot, then equal sign, then a triangle and one vertical straight line. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 type symbols. Then come to image 2. It contains 0, 1, C, equal and S. So totally 4 symbols. First image contain 5 type symbols. Second image contain 4 type symbols. Then third image contain one vertical S, then triangle C and O, totally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 5 symbols. Means 5 different symbols. Okay, not only 5. It get arranged with the 5 different symbols. Then figure 4, C 1, 2, S equal 3, and then P, and this one is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 5 different symbols. Then image 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is also formed with 5 different symbols. So let me see that figure 1 is 5, figure 3 is 5, figure 4 is 5 and figure 5 is 5. So figure 1, 3, 4 and 5, all this figure formed with 5 different symbols. 5 different symbols. Only figure 2 formed with 4 different symbols. So the correct option is image 2 is different from the rest. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 40 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here also 5 images are given. Look at these images. All the images contain the different shape of image inside that. Okay, outside is different and inside is different, but still all the images having outer shape and another one inner shape also. So on the basis of that, we will try to find out the different figure. Let us count the straight line formation for outside. Okay, in outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So outside it is 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Inside that structure is formed with 4 straight lines. Then subtract this to 6 minus 4. We get 2. This is for first one. Okay. Then come to second one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Outside 5. Inside 1, 2, 3. So inside is 3. Subtract 5 minus 3, we get 2. So 1 and 2 follow the same pattern. Come to third image. Here I will write short form. Outside is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7. Inside 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sides. Okay. Then subtract 7 minus 5. This one is also 2. Okay. Then come to image 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 sides are there for outer shape. Then 1, 2 and 3 is inner. Subtract 6 minus 3, it gives 3. So image 4 is, it does not follow the same pattern. Let me check last fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Outside is 8 and inside it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So our fifth image also follow the same pattern. Outer side structure or outer shape total sides minus inner shape total sides. Then subtract both. Outer side shapes minus inner shape sides is equal to 2. So all the image gives the same answer except image 4. So correct answer is 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 41. Find out which one of the figures different from other. The figures are like this. Image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4 and image 5. All the images contain the upper part and lower parts. Okay. So on the basis of that, their shapes, we can differentiate which one is different. So here figure 1, it contains 2 squares upside. Okay. 2 squares. And below also it contains the same shape of square. 1 square in below. Then here, this upper shape contains four sides. This is our shape 1 and shape 2. It is 4-sided shape. Okay. But in lower, it contains 3-sided shape. It is 3 sides and it is geometrically different from the above shape. Okay. Then come to this one. Here also it is two wavy shape blocks, or we called it as, yes. So it is same as below also. Then this one is also same as below. And last is also two crest outlines, and here also two crest outline, but it is reversed and similar. Okay, these all figure 1, 3, 4 and 5 all follows the same geometrical shape pattern. Follows same geometrical shape patterns. Means above shape ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ below ಅಲ್ಲಿ image shape ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, but for this image 2 it is different. Above shape contain four sided image, below it is contain different, that is three sides image. So figure 5 is different, or it does not follow the symmetry, does not follow symmetry. So figure 2 is different from the rest. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 42 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So the images are like this. All the images contains the six-sided structure pattern. Okay, that is all the structure having the, or all structure formed with six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is common from all. But the different thing is all the structures contain one single straight line inside or outside. Okay, see, look here. Image 1 contain one straight line inside. One line inside. And image 2 is also contain one line inside. And image 3 also contain one straight line inside. And image 4 is also having one straight line here, that is one line inside. But only this image part, it contains that straight line not inside. This straight line is outside the structure. One line outside. So here figure 5 is entirely different from the other. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 43 of the chapter Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So the images are like this. All the image having one cross line and inside that cross line it contains small straight lines. So let us count that straight line. On the basis of that we can differentiate which one is different. Okay. So start with image 1. This side it contains one straight line and in the opposite of that it straight line get doubles. It becomes 2. And here also it is 3 straight line, then opposite of that it becomes that straight line increase with 1. Then come to second one. Here it is 1, it increases with 4 times. It is 2, it increases with only 1. So it does not follow the image pattern of first. Let me check third one. This is one straight line. Oppositely it get doubled. And this is 3 and oppositely it faces with a straight line 4. One is increased. Okay. Here also and here also they get increased with the number 1. Then it follow the pattern first. Then fourth one straight line is there. Oppositely it get double, it becomes 2. And then it is 3, it get increased with 1, 4 opposite. So this one is also faces the same pattern. Then fifth one, it contain 1 and oppositely it is 2. It increase with 1. Then 3, oppositely it increase with 1, that is 4. So all this small straight lines get increased with 1 when it faces opposite. But only this image 2, it is different from the rest. So here our correct answer is image 2. It does not follow the straight line increasing pattern. Okay. So here the correct answer is option 2. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 44 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here the images are like this. So I will repeat this question one more time. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 44 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So images are like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 images are given here. All the images having V-shape outer structure and inside that two straight lines are there and it is in hook shape. Okay, hook shape straight lines are present in all the images. On the basis of that, let me try to find out the different image. So see their directions. Okay, here the figure 1, 2 and 4. Figure 1, 2 and 4. This side is left and this one is right. Left, right. Left side, right side, left side, right side. Face their hook direction. So figure 1, see their face hook direction. Image 1, 2 and 4. Here left side it is, that hook is in left side. Okay, right side it is in plane. Then it faces downward. Okay, so in the right side all this image 1, 2 and 4 they faces upside. See here, that hook is in upside. So all this 1, 2 and 4 follow the same pattern, but only the image 3 is different. All this 1, 2 and 4 hook pattern in left, it is in downward. Same time image 3 it is in upward. Similarly, right side hook also, when all the rest images shows the downward, it shows up. Okay. So on the basis of that hook direction, we can easily say that figure 3 is different from the rest. Figure 1, 2 and 4, hook on left side down. Hook on left side down and right side up. Okay, but only the figure 3 is different. Here it is reverse. Hook on left side is up, left side up, and hook on right side down. On the basis of this difference, we can say that answer 3 is, image 3 is our answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 45 of the chapter classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here also 4 images are given. Image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. All the images contain inside 2 images. Okay. Outside one structure is there and middle one another structure comes and inner side another structure comes. All the figure shows the 3 different structures lies inside. Okay. So count their sides. Start with image 1. Outside it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So outside is, the shape is made up of 5 sides. Outside it is made up of 5 sides. And we consider this as middle one. Okay. Middle shape made up of 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. And inside shape made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sides. So 5, 4, 6. The pattern is this one. Let me see this second. Outer side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Outside is 5. In middle one 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle shape having the side 4. Middle side 4. And inside shape sides are 1, 2 and 3. So the 5, 4, 3, they get decreasing. Okay. They follow one common pattern, they get decreases. Outside, it is greater than middle and middle is greater than inside. One pattern follows. So image 3 outside 1, 2, 3 outside pattern contain 3 sides. Then middle pattern contain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Middle side is 4. Then inside it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is also 4. So 3, 4, 4. Sorry, inside it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5. 3, 4, 5. So here get increasing. Okay. Then come to fourth one. Outer shape having the side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Outside shape having 6 sides. Middle shape having 4, 5, 5. 5 sides. And inside the shape having sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it follow the pattern 6, 5, 4. They get decreasing. So all the figure 2, 3 and 5, they follow one pattern whether they get increasing or decreasing. Increasing or decreasing pattern. But only this image one, here it is 5, 4, 6. Once it get decreasing, then again it get increases. So it does not follow one proper pattern. Hence option that image first is our answer because it does not follow increasing or decreasing pattern. Here once it get decreasing and suddenly it becomes increases. So does not follow the pattern. Hence answer 1. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 46 of concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here different figures are given. Totally 4 figures are there. All the figures contain one circle outside and inside that one straight line divides that circle. So on the basis of that we will check which one is different. So here figure 1, figure 2 and figure 4. Figure 1, 2 and 4. All these figures contains that circle, that straight line divides the circle equally. So it is considered as diameter. So here internal internal straight line is a diameter for figure 1, 2 and 4. Internal straight line is diameter. See, this one, and this one. It cut the circle and divide it as equally. So consider it as diameter and it divide the circle perfectly into two halves. So equal parts, okay. But here the image is not divided, image 3, this straight line is not divide the circle equally. This is not a diameter, we called it as chord. Figure 3, internal straight line is chord. It does not divide the circle equally. So figure 3 is different from the rest figures. Here the correct option is answer 3. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 47 of the chapter classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here 4 figures are given, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the column it filled with different shapes. Okay, different shapes or we called it as symbols. So let me start with image 1. This image 1 contain multiplication, equal sign, plus sign, circle and triangle. Okay. So multiplication, equal, plus, circle and triangle. Then come to image 2. It contain multiplication, equal, plus, circle and triangle. So both the figure contain the or filled with the same symbols. Come to option 3. Here multiplication is there, equal sign is also there, plus is also there, circle is also there and triangle is also there. Come to option 4. Here multiplication is there, equal to sign is there, then a circle is there, triangle is there, but instead of plus sign, here square is there. Instead of plus, square is there. So it contains one different symbol. So figure 4, it contains the one different symbol. Instead of plus, it contains square. So figure 1, 2, 3 all contain symbols. This 5 types of symbols. Here figure 4, it contain, or it having square instead of plus. So here figure 4 is different from the rest. Answer 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 48 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. The image is like this. This contain one dot is filled at one end and another one is the open circle. Okay. Or one is dark filled circle and another one is the open circle. We will consider that one also. So here, see their positions, how they placed it. Here, figure 1, 2 and 4, all this dotted filled circle or this open circle, they face a top or bottom position. Okay. Only this image 3, here this filled circle and open circle faces left and right. Remaining all figure shows top or bottom portion. So here image 3 is different. So figure 1, 2 and 4, black dot and circle, let me take it as black dot and open circle. Okay. Image 1, 2 and 4, black dot and open circle are top or bottom. They faces top or bottom portion. Only this figure 3 is different. In figure 3, they faces left and right, remaining all top and bottom portion. Okay. This one is one type, and second pattern also we can follow, that is horizontal and vertical. Okay. Remaining all, figure 1, 2 and 4 all are in vertically placed. Only this figure 3 is horizontal. Okay. So on the basis of that also figure 3 is the different. So answer is 3. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 49. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here four images are given, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the images having this multiplication symbol and open circle and one pillared dot and another one is, sorry, these three are the different patterns. All the images contain all these three patterns. But see their positions. So in image 1, this multiplication joins diagonally and this open circle and dotted joins diagonally. And similarly, image 2, these two joins diagonally and this two joins diagonally. And figure 4 also, these patterns or they join diagonally. But in image 3 is different. Once we join it diagonally, it does not match with the patterns which follow the 1, 2 and 4. So here figure 3 is different from the rest. Remaining all figure 1, 2 and 4 all having same pattern in diagonal. Figure 1, 2 and 4 follow same diagonal pattern. But figure 3, it does not follow the diagonal same pattern as figure 1, 2 and 4. So our correct option is 3. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 50 of the chapter classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here four figures are given. All the figures are having some shapes formed with a different number of straight lines. On the basis of that straight line, we can differentiate this. So figure 1, it is formed with a three straight line, 1, 2, 3, three lines. And figure 2, 1, 2, 3, this one is also contain three lines. Does not bother about that shapes. Okay, only count that lines present inside that box. So figure 3, 1, 2, 3. This is also three lines. And figure 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 lines are present. So here figure 4 is different from the rest. Answer is 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 51 of the chapter classification non-verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So here four figures are given. This is the pattern like that petals, three petals are there, they are arranged in a different manner and half portion of petal is filled, another half is empty. Okay. So here the patterns are like this. We have to, or we can just imagine the rotation. Okay. Once we rotate this figure first, only like this, just to rotate this, we get the figure 2. Okay. Then again, just to rotate this figure 2, we get figure 3. The shaded portion is also remains the same. Imagine just rotation. Okay. So now this petal comes faces downward, but still that filling pattern is same. Then, but we cannot obtain the image 4 while rotate this one. Okay, while rotate this one, actually this filling pattern is different. So here, on the basis of the rotation, we cannot obtain the figure 4 after rotating the figure 3. So here, answer is 4. Figure 1, 2 and 3 all obtained with the rotation, proper rotation. But that filling pattern does not match with the figure 4. Once we rotate this after figure 3, we cannot get the pattern like this. So figure 4 is different from all the rest of the figures. Answer is 4. Just imagine and rotate, just to imagine that rotation. Okay, then we get one idea how we get all this figure 1, 2 and 3. Exactly, we get the image same. Once we rotate this figure 1, we get 2 and we get 3, but we cannot get 4 because this filling pattern get different once we rotate this. So figure 4 is different from all the remaining 3. Answer is 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 52 of the chapter NMMS Math Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. Here also different patterns are given in image 1 to 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Here also on the basis of the rotation, we can find out the odd figure out. So image 1, just rotate, start rotating this one and now this point becomes here. Okay. Then after this, rotate this one and this is the two face of that image. So on the continuous rotation, we get similar 3 images. According to the rotation, it is proper. After here, it should come here. So yes, correct. It faces here and here, but that internal pattern is different. Okay. Actual rotation after figure 3, actual rotation pattern is not this one inside. It should faces differently like this. So it is wrong. Okay. So here 4 is different from the rest. Answer is 4 on the basis of the proper rotation. So we called it as rotation symmetry. Rotation symmetry. We just imagine the rotation with the internal structure. Then we can easily find out which one is different from the rest. Here 4 is not a proper rotation pattern inside the structure. Outside it is correct, but inside once we rotate the direction like this, we can't get this pattern. So rotation symmetry, figure 1, 2 and 3 follow the rotation symmetry. Figure 1, 2 and 3. But 4 does not follow this pattern. So answer is 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankal Planning Solution. Let us see question number 53 of the chapter NMMS Math, Concept Classification Non-Verbal. Find out which one of the figures different from other. So images are like this, totally 4 images are given. All the images contain one short line and one long straight line. So look at their arrangement symmetry. Okay. Here, properly they are arranged alternatively. Short, long, short, long, short, long. It follows. Short, long, it follows. Here also, short, long, short, long. But in image 1, arrangement symmetry does not match because it is long, short, long, short, and then it is long. Here also this does not follow the symmetry properly. The short line should come here, not here. Okay, this one is wrong position. So due to the arrangement, short line and long lines, straight lines, that arrangement pattern. This figure 2, 3 and 4 follow the arrangement pattern, but this figure 1 does not follow the proper arrangement. So the correct answer is 1. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankal Planning Solution. Let us see question number 54 of the chapter Classification Non-Verbal. Find the odd figure. Here it shows 4 figures. All the figure contain arrow mark. So on the basis of that rotation, we can take out one odd figure. So see or start with the figure 1. It starts like this. So it is, we called it as clockwise. On the basis of clockwise, next that arrow should be, next that this arrow should follow, yes, this space. So it is correct. This one is also clockwise. So after this, it should follow here. This is our clockwise completes. Okay, then after this, it should follow like this, but this is wrong. Okay, then after this one, it will comes here. This one is correct. These all are clockwise. But only this image 3, it shows anti-clockwise. Actually, it should follow clockwise, but it shows it is anti-clockwise. So here on the basis of the rotation symmetry, here figure 3 is different. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 55 of the concept classification non-verbal. Find the odd figure. Uh, Totally 4 figures are given below. All the figure contain the arrangement of the circles. They are interlocked, okay? So on the basis of their arrangement, we can see that 3 circles are arranged in a open chain pattern. See, this one is also open chain pattern, and figure 2 is also shows one circle overlap with another and that circle overlap with third one. So open chain, and figure 3 is also shows the circles are arranged in an open chain pattern. But this figure 4 does not follow the pattern. Here the circles are overlap each other mutually. This is wrong. Okay, they are overlap each other mutually. Actually, this one breaks the pattern. Figure 1, 2 and 3 follow the pattern as all the 3 circles are arranged in an open chain pattern. Open chain pattern. Only this figure 4, it breaks this pattern. Here the circles are not arranged as an open chain. They are arranged as the overlap each other mutually. So here answer 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 56 of the chapter Classification Non-Verbal. Find the odd figure. Here 4 figures are given. So all the figure contain outer shape is circle. Sorry, outline is circle, and in that outside it contains small straight lines surrounding by that circle. Okay. So count that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is symmetry because all the images contain one circle, and that totally 8 straight lines are arranged outside that circle. But the different thing is image 1, 3 and 4, all the 8 lines are arranged with equal space. Only this image 2, 8 lines are not arranged equal. Okay. And they are not arranged complete circle. Only half circle covers with 8 lines. Remaining 3 figures cover with all 8 lines with full circle. This half portion is empty. So figure 2 is different from the rest. Answer is 2 on the basis of that outside arrangement. Okay. Remaining figure 1, 3 and 4 all that short 8 lines arranged completely surrounded by the circle, but here half portion is empty. Another half contain 8 lines. So answer 2 is correct. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 57 of the NMMS Math Concept Classification Non-Verbal. Find the odd figure. Here also 4 images are given. It contain all the images contain two shapes. One is outer shape and another one is inner shape, but one dotted pin which is connected for all the images. Okay, on the basis of that dotted pin, this one, we can find out the odd figure. So in image 1, out inside it is a square, and one vertex of the square, this dotted line is connected, dotted pin. Similarly, image 2 also, this one is connected with one vertex only for inside structure. Okay. So image 3 also for inside structure vertex, this dotted pin connected. But image 4, this outside structure vertex and inside structure vertex coincides, and this pin passes from both. So image 4 is entirely different from remaining 3. So in figure 1, 2 and 3, here pin passes from vertex of inner shape. Only this image 4, that pin passes from both inner and outer shape vertex. So here figure 4 is different. Figure 4, pin passes from both inner and outer shape vertex. So here the correct answer is answer 4. Look here, image 4 clearly shows that this one is the vertex for inner and this is for outer. The pin comes from or passing from both vertex. Remaining all the images, only that inner shape vertex, that pin passing from. Okay. So here answer is 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 58 of the chapter classification non-verbal. Find the odd figure. Four figures are given here. So all the four figures contain two structures. One is outer structure and another one is inner structure. So we can find out the odd figure out on the basis of their number of sides. Okay. So for figure first, outer shape side is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, total 5. For inner shape it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this one is for first. Second one 1 2 3 4, which is for outer shape, and inner shape it contains the sides 3. And figure 3 1 2 3. So outer shape side contain 3 sides and inner shape contain 1 2 3 and 4 sides. Then come to last figure 4. In outer shape it is formed with the sides 1 2 3 4 and sorry, this one is inner. 1 2 3 and 4 and outer shape contain 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, inner shape contain sides 5. So observe this one. Uh, except this figure 2, all the figures follow the pattern, that is outer shape sides is less than inner shape side. Inner shape side. All the figure 1, 3 and 4 follow this pattern. Let us check 4. 4 is less than 5. And here 3 is less than 4. Here 4 is greater than 3. And first one 5 is less than 6. Only this figure 2 is different. Actually figure 2, which contain outer shape side, is greater than inner shape side. So here figure 2 is the odd figure, answer 2. Thank you.